we've all been lied to. For years, we've been told, sleep 8 hours or you'll burn out. But have you noticed? Some of the world's highest performers thrive on 5 or 6, while you sleep 9 and wake up feeling like a zombie. The truth? Your brain doesn't care about hours. It cares about cycles. If you've ever felt like a prisoner to your alarm clock, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're fighting your own biology. Today, I'm showing you how to engineer a little sleep. How to sleep less but feel 10 times more alive. But here is the kicker. You can get the cycles perfectly right and still feel exhausted if you make the deadly morning mistake I'll reveal at the end of this video. Think about your brain like a high-end dishwasher. If you rip the door open mid-cycle, water sprays everywhere and the dishes are still dirty. That's exactly what happens when you wake up at a random time. Your brain sleeps in 90 minutes blocks: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. If you wake up during deep sleep, the scrubbing phase, you get a sleep inertia. That's that brain fog that ruins your morning. This is why 6 hours of sleep can actually feel better than 8. 6 hours is 4 perfect cycles. 8 hours is 5 cycles plus a 30-minute glitch where you've been wrapped out of deep repair. Stop counting hours. Start counting 90 minutes blocks. Aim for 6 hours or 7.5 hours. Catch the wave at the end of the cycle and you'll wake up with your brain already online. But here is the thing, timing your cycles is only half the battle. If your internal clock is broken, even a perfect 90-minute cycle won't save you. Think about this. You wake up at 7 a.m. all week. Then Saturday hits. You stay up late and sleep until noon. You think you're catching up, but you're actually giving yourself social jet lag. Inside your brain, there's a master clock. It controls melatonin, the sleep chemical, and cortisol, the wake-up chemical. When your schedule is a mess, your brain gets confused. It starts the wake-up process at 7 a.m. when you needed to be at your desk at 8. Set a non-negotiable wake-up time. Same time, 7 days a week. It sounds brutal, but it's the secret to waking up naturally 2 minutes before your alarm, feeling fresh without a drop of caffeine. However, even with a perfect schedule, there is a brain cinema that keeps most people awake at night. If you ever lied in bed with your mind spinning, you need to hear this. You're physically tired. You lie down, and suddenly your brain starts a marathon. Modern life has killed the buffer zone. We work until 11, stare at blue light, and expect our brains to just shut off. To fix this, use the 3-2-1 rule. 3 hours before bed, no more food. Let your body focus on repair, not digestion. 2 hours before bed, no more work. The world won't end if you answer the email tomorrow. 1 hour before bed, no more screens. Period. Instead, do a brain dump. Write every stress and every task on paper. Tell your brain it's safe to let go now. This fixes your night. But what about that deadly morning mistake? The one thing you do within 60 seconds of waking up that's actually tricking your brain into staying tired all day? The first things you do, you reach for your phone. You're in a dark room, squinting at a tiny screen, injecting stress into your system. Your brain is programmed by light, not phone light, sunlight. When photons hit your eyes in the morning, they trigger a cortisol pulse. It's your internal spark plug. It clears out the sleepiness chemicals and start a 14-hour timer for your melatonin. The 10-minute sun soak. Get outside within 30 minutes of waking up. Even if it's cloudy, it resets your biology. Do this, and falling asleep tonight becomes effortless. We've been looking at sleep alright. Sleep isn't a tax on your life. It's a neurological investment. You don't need more time in bed. You need more intensity in the time you have. Most people will keep scrolling and stay tired. But if you're someone who refuses to live in a fog, someone who wants to upgrade their entire home operation system, then join the community. Hit subscribe and join the journey. Now, I want to be honest. How many of you are watching this right now when you should have been asleep 2 hours ago? If that's you, comment the word sleep below so we can all find each other. Let's start the reset together.